a real freak accident. There was a dead short in the fuel tank, the sending unit for the fuel tank, and it exploded. I spent 3 months in the hospital after that. Bioconcepts did make it a lot easier for me to heal. You could see it almost immediately. You know, I wore them for like 3 or 4 hours the first time I had them on, and then, okay, now we'll take them off and we'll show you. And they actually could see that it was knocking down the scars and everything else. So I really understood that it was going to do some good. First had to start wearing them, I was very weak because, you know, I was learning how to walk again. I was learning how to use my hands. They really helped out my scarring. I know they did. My left hand and my right hand were equally as bad. Got some of my dignity back, let's put it that way. You know, after I wore them for a while, it just second nature, and I didn't really notice I even had them on. It was explained to me very well what they were going to do, so I was pretty faithful about wearing them as well. I would say one thing about them, they sort of, it's like a badge of honor, you know, when you're wearing them. It means you're on the road to recovery, and at the same time, you know that there's something good going on, as long as it's been explained to you. If someone just put it on, you'd say, what is this all about? But it was explained to me very well how it controls scarring, how it controls blood flow and all that, and to me that was important. I know they also do the trick, so I don't know what you would use if you're not using them. They should be almost mandatory, you know. I don't understand how you could heal without them. Find a way, find some funding, get it done. Pretty well a year from the time I started wearing them till they said, yeah, I guess you don't have to wear them anymore. It was very big because, you know, it's, you know, when you stop wearing them, you know you're just about there. The graduation of not having to wear them was, that was okay. I feel better than ever. You know, it's a long journey, but it's a very rewarding one. Look at me, I'm great now. Because I know what it did for me. I'm as flexible as I ever was, you know, so it did okay for me. Now, I mean, that means you don't have to have another operation. And that to me is great. I had enough of those. It really healed up both my hands and my arms. The right equipment, as I'd say. You know, it was the right stuff.